Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on today's video. It is finally that time of year again, that time of year where I go back to school and start carrying a backpack every single stinking place I go. I really like doing what's in my backpack videos. I don't even know why, and the truth is they probably don't change like that much year to year, but I still think they're a lot of fun and I still watch them every year. I feel like you learn a lot about a person. I also will say there are some things that I never would have like carried / done a few years ago, so maybe this is just like showing my personal growth. I don't know. Anyways, if y'all are new here, be sure to head on down below, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to keep consistently posting twice a week. We're gonna see how it goes this month. I'm doing my best. If not, I post always once a week. So I'm carrying the same backpack I carried last year. It is a North Face, it's a North Face backpack. I will link in the description what kind it is, but it is an older one. So I bought it at the outlet because I kind of knew I didn't want, I don't know, like what I wanted they used to sell and they only sold it at the outlets. So I went and bought one at the outlet, and I bought it in all black just because I figured that if I was going to carry it for 4 years, which was the plan, I wanted it to be pretty neutral. But I like to do things like jazz up with, mine has a little Be Happy keychain on it, and I used to have buttons on it, but they kind of fell off, so I just decided not to put them back on. But my thought was I was just going to go compartment by compartment and tell you what I like to carry when I go to school. Normally, I don't like it to be as heavy as it is right now, but the truth is, if I'm going to be gone for a few hours, I kind of need it to be this heavy because I just need to have all of it anyways. But yeah, we're going to start with the big pocket because that's how my brain works. So here's what's in my backpack. So when I open up my backpack, the first thing you'll see is my pencil bag for the year. This was something one of my best friends gave me for my birthday last year. It's from Altered State. And this, I actually... I've had this in my room for so long, and I like kept it around all my pretty things and low-key used it as display because I was afraid to put stuff in it because I think, I don't know if it's for makeup or pens or like your purse, I don't even know, but I was like, if I put something in it, I'm gonna ruin it. But finally, I've gotten brave and I'm using it and I think it's so pretty. So I love lots of colorful pens. So when it comes to my pens, this is the, what is it called? I'm embarrassed. Like these are like Jelly Roll. My friend who gave me the pencil bag gave me this too. I really like these colorful Inkjoy ones. I don't know why I'm only pulling green ones, but this comes in like a rainbow pack, and so I love to have a bunch of different ones. I always use these like Bic mechanical pencils that like I feel like everyone uses. I got a big pack like 3 years ago and I'm still using it. And then when it comes to highlighters, I highlight a lot, but I always like the thin ones. I use them a lot in my planner and in my notes. Next thing in my backpack is the most important thing I own. My passion planner. No, not the most important, but one of my favorite things. This is how I plan my entire life. And believe it or not, y'all, I've actually started using Google Calendar while using my passion planner. Crazy, I know. I'm changing so much. But this is what I use to plan my life. Write down assignments. I put work, I put classes, I put everything in here. And so I pretty much always carry it. If I'm like carrying a purse, I'm not going to carry it obviously because it's too big. But if I have my backpack, like 95% of the time I also have my passion planner. I pretty much only carry one notebook when I go out. I used to always be so specific about my notebooks, but since coming to college, like you take some stuff online and some stuff and like on paper, and I've been using old notebooks. That's also something I never would have done, is I've been trying to like finish notebooks. I used to always like get one for each thing, and I'm at this point where I'm like, as long as it's organized and I can find it, I don't really care like I used to. I think I'm gonna have like one single spiral for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and one single spiral for Tuesday, Thursday. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this in my backpack forever, but sometimes I do get like little handouts and stuff. I have a syllabus in here. I have like my degree plan in here for when I stress out about if I'm gonna graduate or not. I just like, it's good to have that because otherwise I feel like things get lost in my spirals a lot. I keep my laptop pretty much anytime I leave to go study. I don't know, I know like 5 years ago it might not have been this way, but like I always need my laptop. So much of our assignments and our, just everything is online now, and so it always helps for me to have it with me. Next we have this middle pocket. I don't put a ton in here. Oh, okay, if I know I'm gonna be gone for a while and have some extra time, I like to carry my external hard drive, which is so extra, but like I never know if I'm gonna have time to edit. If I know I'm coming like straight back, then I don't bring it. But if I know I'm gonna be somewhere for like 3 hours and I have the potential to study and finish early, I like to have that so I can kind of do some like editing on the go. Not much is in here. I have some dry shampoo. There's a bunch of random pens and pencils in the bottom of here, and I'm not sure why I still have them. I like to keep things in here like granola bars that I pick up at breakfast and hang on to, and you know, I usually don't eat it for a very long time, but like there's gonna be that one day where I'm gonna be starving and I'm gonna pull this out and eat it. I literally forgot this was in here until today. I have a mini Tide to Go stick. I honestly think everyone needs a full-size Tide to Go stick. I have been using this actually kind of frequently. I'm so messy, and I don't mean to be, but I'm so messy when it comes to like food and stains and pens, and I don't know, it's just so easy to get stains on things, so it's good to have one of these. I also have these Clorox wipes in my bag. Not sure if they're really still good, but like I like to have them because, just to be honest, classrooms, so many different people sit in them in college, and I've definitely sat down before and like had something sticky at the space where I like to sit. And I'm not gonna sit across the room just because someone got dirty, but also like, you bet I'm gonna wipe it down first. That's pretty much the middle pocket for you. I wanna show you what's in this small pocket, and let me tell you, this small pocket isn't small. I carry like the majority of my stuff in this one pocket. Always super important to have like your wallet and your college ID, so I pretty much just carry this between my purse and my backpack. Having your student ID is like literally college 101. You just always have to have it. You never know when you're gonna need it, and it's good to have like your debit card or some cash on you in case you need to spend money when you're out. This is something they gave us last year, and it's safe horns, and it's got numbers for like emergency things, and I just kept it in my bag mainly because it was like I was gonna, you know, like I wanted to have it with me just in case I needed it. I have tissues. It's just like good to have them because, you know, when you're in these big classrooms, they don't have tissues for you. Like, they just figure you're an adult and bring your own, I guess. I don't know. Or that you'll walk to the bathroom. I'm not doing either of those. So I just always carry these with me just in case. If I'm going out and I know I'm going to be out for a while, I'll carry my AirPods. I'm weird and I don't like to listen to stuff when I walk, mainly just because I think it's better to be alert. But like if I'm going to be sitting, you know, at my school, like working on some stuff in my free time, then I will totally bring my headphones to like work on some stuff or listen to music. I have a scrunchie in here. I don't know. I feel like as the year goes on, I just accumulate these, and then I have to periodically go back in and pull out hair ties and scrunchies. But you also never know when you're going to need one, so it's kind of good to have them in there. Another granola bar. There's some like random pens and stuff, and some of this I honestly think should probably just like live at my desk, so I'm going to put that there. I have this note. We had a friend visit last year. One of my roommate's friends visited and then kind of became one of my friends, or I think she's a friend. Anyways, she left us a nice note, and I need to stick this in my planner. There's only a couple more things left in here, but there's some of the more important ones. I always carry mace in my backpack. Honestly, ladies, gentlemen too, if you don't feel like you're ready for emergencies, I always carry mace with me just because I have meetings sometimes like later in the day when it gets dark during winter. I pretty much always walk with other people. I can't really think of a time I haven't, but I don't know. I just always feel better having something like that in case I do end up in a situation I don't plan for. Yeah, that's that. And I have, I keep my mace on like a thing so I can wear it on my wrist. I have a bigger, like more heavy duty one that I will definitely carry at night. I have Carmex. I always need some kind of chapstick or Carmex. What girl doesn't? And I have so many of those, so that's just like one of the several. And then I'll lose it in a week and I'll throw another one in, you know. I've got some hand sanitizer, always good. I think I mentioned this in my video last year. It's kind of funny, but I always carry this little Advil thing. I didn't even take Advil, but you know, it's always good to have. I found sometimes friends need it if they feel really bad. I'm sure someday I'll need it, but I just like to have that just in case. That's so much of this backpack is full of so much random crap, but it's because you never know what you're gonna need, and you don't always have time to just like walk 20 minutes home, so you wanna be ready. Here are the two buttons. I had buttoned to my backpack, but they fell off, so I just stuck them in that pocket, and they're probably gonna live there for the next year. Here's a very tiny phone charger. Basically, this cord, I did not use it in the wall. I have a portable charger that's buried deep in the bottom of my stuff, and I was like, where is it? But this charger, I usually just plug the battery in and then plug it into my phone, and so sometimes if I'm like in a crunch and I can't actually charge it all the way, I'll use this, which is so helpful. So guys, that is what I keep in my backpack. I'm kind of like looking at this now. I kind of carry too much, but like you just never know, so I like to have it all. Usually what I do if it starts to get too heavy in a couple weeks is I'll just go through, maybe throw out a few things or put it in a different bag if I don't need it as much. But yeah, that's what's in my backpack. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to leave a comment down below, let me know, leave a like. And if you want to see more content, I'm posting at least once a week, if not twice, which is super fun. So you can always subscribe and turn on that bell notification. I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!